Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a wood-fired pork belly pizza at the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, it's Friday night, feel all right, and we're doing up some pizzas, right? Nothing like a pizza on a Friday night. So you want to take some fresh pizza dough, and you want to fit it to a nice pizza pan. Simple enough. Then grab some of your favorite sauce. Whoa, you kidding? And then here we've got some fresh chopped garlic. Oh, this is the way we like our pizzas on a Friday night. You got to have plenty of garlic, right? Oh man, I tell you what. Now, the cheese. I told you it's going to be simple. Here we've got some shredded mozzarella. Or use your favorite pizza cheese. And we'll spread it all over, right? So you start with the sauce, you got the cheese, and now the magic, the pork belly. So we've got some fresh cooked pork belly that we've chopped up into small pieces. And here we've got some pan-grilled onions. Yeah, pork belly with some pan-grilled onions. Of course, you can set this pizza up any way you want, but you got to check this out. It's good. All right, now we've got some fresh mozzarella, right? So we're going to put some more chunks on. You've got to have the mozz for the pizza. Oh, man. This is going to be good. So load on the mozz. Ooh. Lord have mercy. I guess we could eat this right now, right? But nah, it's got to head to the wood-fired oven. Now, we have some fried bell peppers here, both the red sweets and the green. Again, you could set this pizza up any way you want. But this is our pizza, so this is the way we're doing our pork belly pizza. All right, time for the wood-fired oven. We're running temperatures of maybe 600 degrees, 650 degrees Fahrenheit, and those high temperatures are what you want for a good wood-fired pizza. If your pizza is being delivered, well, that ain't real pizza. It's as simple as that. All right, won't take long to do. Whoo! Take a look at that. In a miracle of time, this pizza is done. It only takes maybe 10, 15 minutes with those high temperatures, and this is what you got. Lord have mercy. We're eating good tonight, Martha. Oh, man, I am telling you, get a few guys together, a few 30s of the cold ones, kick back on a Friday night, and you're going to feel all right. So this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, of course. And they're not apologizing. Look at that. Whoa. You kidding me? Oh, yeah. This is what good living's all about, isn't it? Now, to get the recipe, of course, you can head on over to our website.
Pit Boys for Life.
And while you're there, sign up a chapter. We'd be proud to have you.
Yeah, baby.
BBQ Pit Boys for Life. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.